Rob, ever since the moment Monday night when police sent out a surveillance screen grab of the shooter, the question has been what was in his backpack. We now know from police that 43-year-old Anthony McRae had the guns and ammo to kill even more people than he did on MSU's campus. A small arsenal zippered up and strapped over both shoulders.
We're getting reports of multiple victims for an active shooter.
After the mass attack, when police confronted the shooter a little less than 4 miles from Michigan State's campus, they say he appeared to be heading home. And now authorities revealing that he had 2 9mm pistols, 1 gun in hand and 1 in his backpack, along with 8 loaded magazines and a pouch containing 50 rounds of loose ammo. He also had a loaded magazine in a front pocket, along with 2 empty magazines that are thought to be the ones he unloaded during Monday night's campus rampage. But that wasn't all they found on him.
2 pages of notes were found in his wallet, which was on his person as well. Those are that was the note that indicated where he was going to visit, and also kind of gave an indication of why he maybe a motive, but nothing that we can actually confirm just yet.
It appears based on the content of the note that he felt that he was slighted in some way by people or businesses.
3 dead and 5 wounded, all MSU students. Among the wounded are 2 foreign students. That detail this afternoon, according to officials here at the Chinese consulate in Chicago. This statement confirming that 2 Chinese students were unfortunately shot and injured in the incident. After undergoing surgical treatment in the hospital, their lives are out of danger. And now at Michigan State, even though classes won't resume until Monday, some students who lived in Berkey Hall, the dormitory where the first shootings occurred, were allowed back in today to retrieve some possessions.
As the days go on, it gets a little less numbing, and the real emotions start to hit us.
That 2-page note found in his backpack targeting a large retail store in Michigan, also a church, and 2 schools in New Jersey where he once lived, and also included a claim that he was leading a group of 20 killers. Police discrediting that assertion, even quoting the gunman's father, who said his son didn't have any friends, let alone 20 associates. That information actually helping police conclude the shooter acted alone. Judy?
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.